I'm trying to see what the weather is, but I'm only on 3G. And it's freaking a lot of people. Welcome to paradise.
Here we are, just in the airport.
So we just passed the tourist information. You're supposed to just ignore them. Go straight outside to the parking lot. We have a pickup from our hotel called Prestige. They're the one that provides transportation for JW Marriott. Our ride right here. A welcome bar over there. If you want to drink something as soon as you arrive.
We're heading to our ride to get us to the hotel. This is how we're starting the day. Nice and busy.
This is our ride, and out of all the people that came in, there's only 4 of us gonna be in there. Pretty good.
Awesome.
40 per person,
I think so.
and if it's a private, $70 per person. It's not, you said.
Alright, thank you. They have, I guess, a little store right here. Pizzeria.
There's ATM.
All the sterling silver that Fanny wants. Yep.
Are you ready?
Well, I'm ready.
It's nice. I like the color and everything.
Yeah, it's very clean.
Yeah. And even the room number. Welcome to our crib for the next
5 days.
5 days.
5 days. Alright.
Alright.
As soon as you come in.
Nice.
Whoa.
Completely renovated, they said.
Turn the light on.
That's a toilet. That's the shower with the overhead.
Oh.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Thank you. It's not ours.
Okay.
Thank you. I saw that you're just arriving, right?
Yeah,
What do you think? You like the home?
I like it. So far.
The hotel that you are looking here is another Marriott.
Okay.
Both properties are connected to a bridge, so you can also go to the Marriott too. Use the restaurants only and check the room as well.
Okay.
Okay. The way to get there is you saw the big hallway when you was walking to the elevators. And the restaurants that we have there is a Japanese, Thai, sports bar, and a beach club. The restaurants that we have here is on the way to the reception, Italian. The one in the corner, Tex-Mex and breakfast buffet. And outside on the left side, the beach restaurant. There's the culinary one on the 14th floor.
14th floor.
Okay.
Actually, the dinner is about to start in case you want to eat something.
Oh yeah, I'm hungry.
And as well, the open bar is available too.
Okay.
The open bar is from 6 till 10.
Okay.
Okay. In the morning, they have mimosas and Bloody Marys. The lunch, beer only.
Okay.
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 So, would you like to go to the club now? Or do you want to refresh?
Yeah, just
Yeah,
refresh and
probably,
yeah.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you.
In case
I'll
that
be
you
at
need
the-
something, I'm going to be downstairs, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, it's a pleasure. Have a wonderful stay.
So this part is the mini bar, and they will charge you. So they said that if you pick it up, automatically they're gonna charge you. This part is the mini bar, and they will charge you every time you open it and pick one up. And this part, the empty part, is for your use. So empty. They have an iron board. Why do they only have one road?
I think the other one is
Oh, I see. Nice.
All right, let's give you a quick tour of our hotel room. We're on the 12th floor and it's called, just in case you're wondering, I know this information is important, Club 91 for 2 adults, club level, deluxe guest room, 1 king, premium ocean view, balcony. So that's the room that we got, and we got the Club 91, which includes, let me just tell you, your Club 91 experience includes breakfast from 7 to 10:30, lunch from 12 to 2, afternoon activities 3 to 4, Monday and Thursday guacamole making, Tuesday and Friday wine tasting, Wednesday and Saturday margarita making, dinner 6 to 8, open bar 6 to 10, and then cheese and pastries from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. That's a lot of good stuff in there. So that's the Club 91. There's a little sofa right here, a little table, and the usual king size bed. Our TV, it's actually really nice. We got some storage here, some more drawers.
Ice bucket.
Yeah, ice bucket. There you go.
We got this TV.
Some USB charging station.
Nice.
And alarm clock. And let's see outside.
Nice. Yeah, that looks almost livable.
The sand. Alright, let's go eat. I'm hungry.
Let's go.
We're gonna go eat. I'll make a right?
Give me your party.
I'm hungry. I wonder what they have. Looks like onion soup, huh?
Yeah, probably for dipping the sandwiches.
The bread, huh?
Yep.
Some type of fish.
Oh, yeah.
Beef. That's what I'm gonna have. Mac and cheese. Skip that one.
That's not for you, babe.
Smart.
Fine.
How are you?
I guess you can order some over here. They have
Oh, the
sliders,
sliders.
babe.
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
sure
having
you're
the
gonna have them.
Pickles and onions. Cheese.
Oh, salsa.
Kobe salad. Either
Salad.
or fruits.
There's no cabbages.
I think the only thing I'm not allergic here is the beef and the margarita, so I'm good.
Alright.
On happy seats. I'm trying to find the beach.
I showed it.
So our room is probably
It's on the other side, I think. On the other side. Yeah. Because we're facing that way.
oh yeah. Oh, there's more pools. But we just came back from dinner and somebody moved this robe on the bed. And and turned on the light.
What was in the bag?
What was in the bag? It was this one. We got the Reposado one, Patron, for $56. That's free because it's gluten-free. So in case you're wondering how much it is. We got some drinks from the open bar. So we're just gonna add more of this and then call it a night. We'll check right there. You want yours in here? Sure. Or in your cup. Let's see how the view outside is. I don't remember closing it. Alright, this is nighttime. This is how it looks like.